Hey YouTube, today I'm unboxing a 54-inch Casablanca Siena ceiling fan I got off Marketplace recently. It was new in the box and came in what I thought was a really good price for the rarity of the fan that I got. It utilizes a VersaTouch remote, a Scavo glass uplight and downlight, and some really cool blades. And obviously, as you can see, it comes in oiled rubbed bronze since that's the only finish it was sold. I think it was sold from 2006 to 2012. Looks like 2011 was the last time I saw this in the catalog. With that being said, let's get to unboxing. This is a Cosmopolitan style ceiling fan. It was Casablanca's line of, I think, lower cost but very exquisite fans. And it features these really cool instructions to it. I think it's really nice. What we can also see from this box here is the blades. Kind of French fry looking blades, but again, really cool. There. And what's nice is this is actually kind of a rare part because this is a Casablanca type screwdriver. It's the first time I've seen one when unboxing a Casablanca fan, so that's pretty cool. Then let's see what else we got. Decorative piece. I think these are like light too. Oh wait. This is a VersaTouch 2 remote, kind of like the Casablanca Wilderness has. Both has an uplight and downlight and 3 ranges of speeds. And other than a couple down rods and lights, that should be it for the top. But alright, now here is where the fun begins. This is a pretty big motor housing, and just for reference, I'll show you how grandeur this thing really is. It's pretty big. Comes with the uplight and everything, but very heavy, so I think I'll just set that down. Here's a canopy. Now, it uses a hang true. So there's questions as to whether this would utilize a hunter type, like AVT style canopy or not, but this, as you can see here, utilizes a hang tree, so that's really nice, and I appreciate that. Finial piece on it, as you can see, really nice looking. Then I think this is just one of 3 of the Scavo downlights. That's pretty cool. And I think finally, other than the hang tree mounting stuff, is the torch downlight. This is really cool. I love the look on this. And yeah, can't wait to put this up and really tell you how it is in action. And without further ado, I will see you in the next one.